Welcome back to Brews with Brena, and this week the beer that we're going to be reviewing and testing out is blueberry chocolate coffee and vanilla sour. Doesn't that sound wacky? It sounds so weird. I'm not gonna lie, I had this beer last week because, you know, like I said, I always buy beers to film this, but I fucking end up drinking. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Oh, it's from Collective Arts Brewing in Hamilton, Ontario. Look at that art. Look at that art. Pretty dang cool. You guys ready for it? Yeah, baby. It's like the best sound. Actually, the best thing is the first sip. Oh my god. You know, I wouldn't say I taste the vanilla so much, but definitely coffee and chocolate, and it's sweet, so I guess that's kind of where the blueberry comes in. I love the out of this beer. It's so dang delicious. They have other ones that I've tried that are sours. I'm obsessed with sours. If you find them too sweet and too sour, pour it over ice and it's just like frickin' I promise, this is me promising next week we're not gonna do a sour. The hairstyle we're doing is super cute. Obviously you see it in the thumbnail. First thing we want to do is obviously make sure your hair is brushed. This is the perfect hairstyle if you have greasy hair, because the grease just helps to hold the style way better. Make 3 parts. First part in the center of your hair. So usually when I brush the hair back and then kind of push it forward, you naturally get a pretty straight part. You know, I'm a hairstylist, so I should make it better, but like, come on. If you guys don't know really like what you're doing and that's what your part looks like, that's good enough. This is definitely a more heavy sour. Some sours that you have are like more light and easy to drink. This one's definitely like heavy. It's almost like a dark beer in sour form. Is that cool? Because where else do you see chocolate coffee in stout? Oh my god, you can tell I don't drink that much, guys. Let me tell you, this is still pretty full and I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling fine. So after you have your center part done, what you want to do is part your hair from the top of your ear to the top of your crown. Put your finger where you're parting from, right there, and then go down to your ear and put your finger on your ear. It'll be like easier. Okay, well, I gotta check on my part though, but I think I did that pretty good. I never really think about how I'm gonna educate on these things, but I don't know, I feel like I'm doing a good job. Leave a comment if I suck, or if I'm good. Just leave a comment, man. Help me get that. Help me get into that YouTube algorithm. But I think that's a pretty freaking sexy part, man. So put your finger right where you part it on that side, right in the center, and then bring it finger down to your ear. And when you put your finger on your ear and on the top of your head like that, it kind of creates a mental guide. So having your finger on your ear, like waiting for the comb to like get there, you're like, oh, okay, gotta make it to the finger. And yeah, it's like a mental kind of guide. And I can assure you, if you're watching this video, you're putting in more effort than 80% of people with on their hair. Have you guys ever had sex in a can? I have, and it goes by the name of blueberry chocolate coffee and vanilla sour. Turn, baby, turn. Ooh, I didn't really show you what I'm using. I'm using mousse, and I'm working it into my hair, kind of starting at the roots. We're just gonna do one side at a time right now. So if your hair is greasy, that's perfect. That's so perfect for this style. Like I said, the grease is gonna help to hold the style better. Let me just have some sex for a sec. Oh my god, like for real though, bud. Holy f***aroni. That's so yummy. Yummy. This is gonna be a smooth style, so you kind of want to work your hair back with the product. If you're getting a lot of these ridges or bumps, what you can do is take your blow dryer and blow your hair in the direction of where we're gonna be styling it. So if we blow it back, it's gonna lay more flat, which I may have to do to my hair. I'm just gonna see. But take your brush. You wanna make it tight. Tight, baby. And so I'm kind of holding my hair where I want the ponytail to go. I want the ponytail to be like pretty high on the top of my head, so it kind of like, I don't know, Looks hot. You got that hot, like, Kylie look, you know what I'm saying? Actually, I think it was when she came out with her little Life of Kylie show. She had her hair similar to this, and I was like, that's gonna be big one day. And I don't know if it's popular yet, but I'm doing a video on it. It's better if you're doing this with a mirror in front of you. So set up your phone by your mirror, watch me, and do it in the mirror. Hold it tight. If it ain't tight, it ain't right. Ow, ow, ow. Man, feisty after that beer, boy. And feel free to redo shit as much as you need. I redid that first ponytail like 4 times. Make sure you get this shit tighty tight. Look in a mirror so you know that it's even. And I think right here is gonna be a trouble spot. Getting that little corner there friggin' tight as f. Now you can style the rest of your hair or kind of just leave it like that. I flat ironed my hair the other day, so I'm sure it looks fine, but I'm gonna go over it again quickly. Don't forget heat protectant. So while my iron is heating up, I'm gonna take a skinny little piece of hair like this. I'm going to take a bunch of hairspray. I'm gonna smooth it out. Actually, when you flat iron it too, it really is better. And I have bobby pins here. I'm just gonna wrap this hair, wrap it around tight. Remember, everything tight in this. And this just adds that extra little zhuzh and class to your little ponytail. Oh, it's kind of hard. So I have the hair in the bobby pin, the little piece of hair, and now I'm just kind of, oh man, this might be too hard. And now I'm kind of go backwards and like in. Oh yeah, that worked. Make sure you spray the shit out of it. I'm gonna put another bobby pin in there. Wrapping it around your hair for this style is not necessary. It's gonna look cute even if you don't do this step. And when you crisscross your bobby pins, they hold way better. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna backcomb this just to zhuzh it up a little to make it feel like extra. Ooh. I'm holding it over, directing it forward, and just doing a few little zhuzhes. Grabbing another piece, and do it lightly so you don't pull out your ponytail or anything. Hold your ponytail and just lightly, like with the edge of your comb like that, go over the top. I'm holding it so that it doesn't like pull out my ponytail completely. I'm just trying to smooth the top of that back combing so it doesn't look friggin' crazy as frig. Get the frig out of here, are you crazy? Does nobody know what that's off of? Okay, so you can see that's like a huge difference. You can see there's like more fullness on the side here, whereas this is like flat. These don't have to be so puffy. You can have them more sleek like that, but I like it puffy, man. Like, fucking puff it right up. We have 2 steps left. Super quick, super easy. First step, drink your beer, motherfucker. Whenever I'm getting ready, I always forget to sip my beer. I'm like too into my makeup, but you have to remember, after each step, you deserve a sip of beer. Man, you worked hard in that mascara. Get a sip of beer in you. Okay, for real, second step. This is a high hold hairspray. Flexible hairspray ain't gonna do it. What you're gonna do is kind of put a veil of hairspray over your section. Ooh. Take the edge of your comb, don't dig it in. You're gonna take this sweet, sweet edge, baby, and just go like that. Just go like that on your section. And it's just gonna get those flyaways down. But this is the most important part. Get that veil of hairspray, baby. And lightly, I'm just lightly kind of petting it. And that is gonna make it look professional. So what do you guys think? I think I look cute, trendy, but not too childish. Not too childish. Maybe it's because I'm wearing a whack load of makeup. Final verdict on the beer from Collective Arts Brewing is I buy it again. You know what? I gotta buy beers that are more risky. I think that'd be way more entertaining. I'll buy beers that are risky and then you'll watch me just drink them. And I won't have a choice because that's just what I'll have to do. I owe it to you guys. I owe it to you. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get in that algorithm. That's what we're trying to get popping off here. I love you. I'll see you next week.